What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be doing a drop test of the Camon CM. First I'm going to do it with the casing. Then I'm going to do it without the casing. So now I'm going to do the back and the front and both sides. So we're going to start with the back and let's say waist high. So 1, 2, 3. So basically, there's no scratch on the phone. The casing does. So now let's try this is the front, the screen. So we go waist high. And we still don't have anything. So let's try the sides. And so the casing does a great job to protect your phone because it has rubber all sides and it's higher than the screen and everything. So now let's take off the casing and see what's going to happen if you drop it from waist high. So now we're going to take off the casing and let's start with the back. So we're going to go dropping the phone on the back, you're basically not going to get anything, just light scratches. Now let's do the screen to see what's going to happen. So yeah, nothing happened dropping the screen from like waist high. So basically TECNO did a good job with the screen. Now let's try from side. Still, you're not going to have any problem. The screen is not going to break if you drop it from waist high on sides, the front and the back. Now let's try and drop it from head high. I know basically you're not going to want to drop your phone from this high, but let's try and see what's going to happen if you drop your phone from. So we start with the back, head high. And nothing happened. You just have dust on it. Yeah, if you wipe that off, there's not noticeable scratch on it. Now let's try the screen. I know this is what so many people are scared of, but let's do it. And okay, wow, this is quite funny. The screen is still good. There's nothing, no scratch, no crack, nothing. Now let's try from the side. So wait, okay, this is actually funny. Not one single scratch on the body of the phone. The screen is not cracked. I'm a little bit surprised. I'm overwhelmed actually. So I don't know if I should try it from like 10 feet or something because this is crazy. Okay, let's go a little bit higher than my head, or yeah, just somewhere like this, and the screen again. Still, there's nothing happening to the phone. Like you just wipe that off. I think, okay, you're beginning to have a little bit of scratch here and there, but still, I've not seen any crack on the phone. I'm seeing a kind of a line here, but I don't think that's like, because there's a screen guard on it, so it's actually saving the phone. Let's try again. Like, I'm having fun dropping the phone, so might as well just drop it more. Ladies and gentlemen, like I think we might have to do it like a bend test to see if it's gonna break. Well, for the drop test, nothing's really happening. I think I'm gonna get up on a chair. I'm gonna get up on a chair to see if it actually is gonna break, or maybe I climb to a higher place. But for now, dropping your phone from your waist level and your head level, the Camon CM is not gonna break. So kudos to TECNO on that. So that's it, guys. That concludes the drop test of the Camon CM. Actually, this is just the part 1. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and also click that bell button so that I can get notifications when I post new videos. Until next time, I am Mastercard. See you.